Man, the crypto market just took a brutal hit last night. Bitcoin dipped under 86K, Ethereum hovering around 2.7K, Solana down to below $125. It's all because of this Japan yield shock thing, where their central bank might hike rates, making everything riskier. Over 650 million got liquidated in the last day, which is insane. It feels like a low weekend liquidity just amplified with panic. I'm thinking this could be the last shakeout before a huge bounce, especially with all the whale activity slowing down. There was Yearn Finance hack drama. A hacker exploited some vulnerabilities in Yearn Finance ETH pool, minting unlimited ETH and draining millions of dollars in other tokens. At least $3 million ended up in Tornado Cash, which is pretty sketchy. It's dominating the chatter on X right now, and it's why DeFi feels extra risky. Michael Saylor from Microstrategy just updated his Bitcoin tracker with these green dots, and the internet is really losing it. Some people think they're stacking more BTC, others think they're speculating and they're about to sell. It's fueling a wild amount of theories, especially after their recent accumulation has been slowing down. Sony banks dropping a US dollar pegged stablecoin aimed at games and anime. This could bring crypto to a whole new crowd. Imagine paying for in-game stuff or NFTs with stablecoins. This is kind of exciting if you're into gaming coins, and it seems like this could go into major adoption. Despite the dip, crypto ETFs saw over $1 billion in inflows last week, which is a rebound and shows institutions are still hungry, but BlackRock's Ibit ETF had $2.3 billion in outflows, and they're calling it normal, but doesn't look like it. Plus, there has been the first Chainlink ETF launching this week, which could be a huge play for oracles. And out of nowhere, Kazakhstan's national bank is eyeing up $300 million in crypto reserves. Seeing it as a stabilization move post-crash feels like this is a big step for institutional adoption, especially as we're seeing countries creating a Bitcoin reserve. We've also seen JP Morgan just introed a structured Bitcoin bond, which is Wall Street quietly going deeper into crypto. Meanwhile, US banks testing its own stablecoin on Stellar. Overall, this is super exciting news in the world of crypto. Major analysts are expecting a push on Bitcoin to $100,000 to $110,000. This could be coming this week, and that's what I'm positioning for. Make sure to smash the like, subscribe, tap the notification bell, and leave a comment because I'll see you in the next video.